I'm going to show you how to make a martini next, or as we like to call it, a shantini. Very, very, very easy drink to make at home, only using 2 ingredients. So what we're going to do is we're going to start up with some dry vermouth. Just a little splash of that. Use the cap to measure it if you like. Followed by Shanty, main ingredient. So I'm gonna measure this one, so go easy. This is about 50 ml in. What I'm gonna do is get a spoon and give that a good stir. You can cut anywhere you like here, it's fine. Lastly, just need a chilled glass, either put it in the fridge for a bit. Any glass will do, a wine glass if you have it, preferably with a stem. Best thing about this drink is you can change it up in any way you want. I've done it before with a slice of ginger, grapefruit zest, and today I'm going to use lime zest. I'm going to twist that over the top and drop it in. So this is my shantini.